Hello. Yeah, I have seen that so many things have went to sample, and after that, when I posted after that, suddenly after that, actually, I was preparing this mail morning. I cooked and I prepared this mail that was taking time, and so I was not getting up. I was not looking at the updates. So then, in between, when I look at that, I have seen that Priyanka Gentle was coming out from the mud from his thing the mache. So by that I understood that people came back. So after that I posted, see that is real because that Kachra girl was posted. This is what she is of their agent role. Purposefully she's then she's some balted. Okay, like that Kachra Potachi. I don't understand that. Because your crack messages now. That's the thing, and don't get excited to come. And for what purpose? And you need obey to this kind of culture of prostitute. And did you do any murder? Culture of fraud. Don't you have common sense? Man, out of your greediness, desperation, you are always said for some nakapacha money, good. And ask your mother to go again for prostitution. Ask your sister and daughter to go for prostitution if they are not satisfied with the money. Culture of fraud. How much you suffered for the past 10 years without any shame? For what purpose you are living like a man? Yesterday was called that Kaviteshi culture of frauds. Where were they when these fellows put a case for cancelling your Indian citizenship? Did any of these Kacharas bark? This Avishing Manashimi or Kabichival that the Chidambaram and these all sport lawyers, everybody was there, right? Did anybody open their mouth? And that Kachara Kachi and Portina and the Kotra Purta Nai. I have seen it, but then Pushpa and a screw up in the Amma and then a Matana get the Gadatan one who don't take in a Kachara Parana Cheta, the never a Parana Cheta. Indian politics should not be there. Kachara Parana Pala and the Corona. Near the nice player, I can understand. Everything you will post you something like, oh, nicely and screw up with you grab, and this is the same way for organized secretary post aggression also. So if it is there, it will be in the Amma bathroom, and then culture apart in the Anangata Anamangata Shigandi. You can any bring and then what to keep on a push there. See, for what purpose? Sonia have some common sense. And in your daughter, she's like a Mandamuti. Just understand that. Even the all the IIT processes that the world leaders, these fellows are fooling. Then only you are see you are not an educated person. Your background is that, and Rajiv Gandhi also he also didn't complete his education. That is the background, and in the entire family it is like that. So that's what only reflecting in the children's also. Okay, first you need to understand that. So my sister, she's a scientist, and for her, this one also she's a maths background. Okay, her and for her only these fellows are keeping us a dump, and dump means like a play tool under the mind control, and she's trying to kill my. She was trying to kill me and my mother, and like that to spoil me, and that was then only the Priyanka and her son also is a dump, and his that Robert Uthra outbursting to get politics. See, these fellows will. See, first they will throw out Rahulji, and after that, within another 2-3 months, they will deport Priyanka also, and then the entire Congress will be locked. This is what the happening. Okay, so actually, why I told that yesterday, so because how much this thing also, how much I am trying to convince, I am 24/7. I am dedicating my life for this justifying only. Then the culture, then the hunger, or a particular when I am calling that culture as their attitudes, and so did any of you have any minimum manners or culture to behave or respect a person? Then doing the shop and some when everybody will come and otherwise nothing is here. Like arrogance attitude. That's the reason I'm making. And so on what basis you are? So your every decision life, everything is based upon what I'm posting or whatever. So then why do you need to oblige to others? Why you are not obliging to only to me? Because nobody else is there for you, right? And then on what basis what this Matana has done to you? Her business is such trafficking and prostitution, and she have offered her service for free, and she grabbed crowds, and then for what? Then the only children get upon Nana patti. നിനക്ക് നീ എവിടെ പോലും വേണ്ട നിന്നെ പോടുന്ന ഞാൻ കൊന്നിരിക്കും നിന്നെ പൂർത്തമായിട്ട് അല്ല നിന്നെ കൊല്ലിട്ട് യവന്മാരെ എന്നെ കൊല്ലും ദിശു എല്ലാ സോളി ടച്ചിങ് ഔട്ട് കാച്ചറ ആൻഡ് യു ഹാവ് കോമൺ സെൻസ് വാട്ട് ക്രൈം യു ഹാവ് ഡൺ and your mother have done frauds or these all Congress leaders also. Then BJP also like that only. So this is I was preparing this well. From the first 2-3 days I was preparing. So that's what to know the status only. I was calling everybody like that, and nobody will not even have minimum manners or anything. That culture of party stick around all and then don't utter any of these fellows words and for what purpose? And you bring 1-2 grams means give that and the kachi and or na para na kora narana si kora kashoga gila to kora party cultural. That these all fellows, what their control should be there. That should not be changed. Nation or world or what are they happening? Nothing. Even if you are getting assassinated, they don't have any problem. They want their control should be there. Kachara, particular. Chavati put your portakana. അതിൻ്റെ പിന്നെ പ്രിയങ്കാളിനിപ്പം ഒരു എടി എന്തിന് വാട്ട് ഓഫ് നീയൊക്കെ ഒരു ചമ്പല്ലും ഒക്കെ പോയിട്ട് എന്ത് ചമ്പല്ല് US and Pakistan their support their violence is happening. Okay, ചമ്പല്ലുണ്ടാക്കുന്ന നടന്നവൻ. So what did you the great party and leaders grabbed crowds on my name, right? So then what did you do? That at least did you people show any minimum manners or culture to talk to me at least once? പരന്നാറി പട്ടികളെ വായിക്കാൻ നടക്കണം അവനൊക്കെ. And then this Modi Mishatim don't grab that Pushpa നിന്നെ വച്ചിട്ടുണ്ടോ നിന്നെ പരന്നറിച്ചേറ്റ വേണ്ടവേ റഡ് സീറ്റ് പൂഴ്ത്തന്ന നിന്റെ ചാത്ത നിന്റെ കോൺസ്റ്റന്റ് പൊട്ടി കുറെ വർഷമായിട്ട് നീ പിശാചിനെ പോലെ നോട്ട് ഇതിൻ്റെ ABCD ഓഫ് എനിത്തിങ് എൻ്റെ ബിഹൈൻഡ് മിക്കത്ര നിന്നെ വെട്ടി എറിഞ്ഞ് നിന്റെ മോനെ നീ ഉണ്ടാക്കുന്നില്ല പുല്ലേ പരന്നാറി പട്ടി കാച്ചറ പുഴുത്ത വേശ്യയ്ക്ക് പറഞ്ഞത് നിന്റെ മാത്രം ഡൈഡ് ഔട്ട് ഓഫ് വേം വിത്ത് പുഴുത്ത വേശ്യ ദാറ്റ് പ്രോസ്റ്റിറ്റ്യൂട്ട് then കാച്ചറ എന്നിട്ട് ചേൾ ബിഹൈൻഡ് ഈച്ച് ആൻഡ് എവരി ഫെലോസ് നിന്റെ ഒരു മാജിക് മൈൻഡ് കൺട്രോൾ നിന്റെ അമ്മ യുവർ മദർ മൈറ്റ് പ്രൊഡ്യൂസ് ദാറ്റ് ഭട്ടാചാര്യ ടാഗ് ത്രൂ ബ്ലാക്ക് മാജിക് മൈൻഡ് കൺട്രോൾ ദാറ്റ്സ് ഓൾ കെമിക്കൽ പോയിസൺ ദാറ്റ്സ് യുവർ ദിസ് മച്ച് ഓർണമെന്റ് in IITs more than 75% of process everybody is Brahmins only. So none of them have in the history never anybody applies to that you cost this നീ എന്ന് പറയുന്ന party chatters like a stick around ഇത്തുൽ കണ്ണി and with why sucking the legs of them that some genuine process and trapped them and arranged on faculty position and tell that തുടങ്ങി പാരനാറി റിപ്പോർട്ട് നിന്നെ ചവിട്ടിക്കൂട്ടി അറിയണം കയ്യേറ്റി പാരനാറി നീ എനിക്ക് ഒട്ടനെ ചുബാജി ചൗധരി സ്റ്റിക്ക് ഓൺ ദ ഫ്രോഡ് ഇവനൊക്കെ these Congress none of them have comments and what is his name? Rahul Gandhi. I told you what by say you went to Chambal. I have posted with the proofs everything, right? This and he could have taken and gone and president in the Lok Sabha, right? Wait, for what you wanted to Chambal and do the show off for that? Oh, Chambal will can another way. This is short, correct. Mandamutis. How you are playing around. I told clearly everything, and nobody will eat you. And for what purpose you are going to for some money? And this is short of the mother also arranged money, and so what is the use? Now sister is outbursting for her now. Ask her to go for the business. And you don't go anywhere and you be there only, okay? Not even a single person, nobody will tell any truths or lies and true what? നിനക്ക് നാണമുണ്ടാടാ പുല്ല നീ ഫോർ വാട്ട് പർപ്പസ് ഇയാൾ ചക്കിങ് കാച്ചറ വടക്ക് വളക്ക് വള ചട്ടി ടാങ്ക് ഗോയിൻ ചെക്ക് വെദർ ദാറ്റ് യു ഹാവ് എയ്ഡ്സ് ഓർ സംതിങ് ലൈക്ക് ദാറ്റ് ബൈ സക്കിങ് ദാറ്റ് ചട്ടി ടാങ്ക് പട്ടിച്ച് നിന്നെ വേട്ടേ നിന്റെ തൊള്ളയും കോത്തരേടി പൂഴ്ത്ത ചറ്റേ പിന്നെ കുറെ നിന്നെ ഉണ്ടാക്കാൻ നടക്കണം കുറെ ആളും പെണ്ണും കേട്ട ശിഖണ്ഡികളും is to get irritated by seeing the irresponsible aanumbadangata shigantiala. Then so the cross into everybody, all the street dogs, it is a golden opportunity to sit and analyze. And this is a golden remedy. So you are only letting your life to be discussed like this and with all the cracks. I don't understand this. Only what basis until you feel comfortable, peace in culture of party, and trained to prostitute all. See, she will dump you within 1 month and she have many setups over there. And then these devils will be devastating. Otherwise, you will only get devastated because that colors are poisoned. Okay. And again, justifying this my entire time is going behind this only. This is what the dumps. Okay. I told that everything had a clear plan. What are the things these fellas are doing? Also, there is way to counter everything. And everything I told that it is not some hurry or anything. Till April we have time. And we have enough time. And then we will conduct the regulation. And we will form the regulation. And we will change the CVM. And after that, systematically everything can be implemented. And after that, we can conduct the re-election. Okay. And they can get the power. And then what basis are this Priyanka can't do anything. If we are not there within 1 month, these fellows will lock the Congress. That's the only thing happening. Okay. But still, even of this much also, the attitude, arrogance of your great leaders, that's the thing. ആരാന്നാടികൾ. Without knowing anything. Then also do show off and all. Everybody. I was calling each and everybody. That's the thing I was telling. So you don't get excited. And Pushpa, don't do your the moment telling you want to see the how much level in the watch it and drop potty now in the orange. വെറുതെ വിടില്ല പുഴുത്ത നായ കുറേ വർഷമായിട്ട് നോട്ട് ഇവൻ നോ ഇത് ABCD ഓഫ് എനിത്തിങ് എൻ്റെ മോഡിയം ശല്ലേ നിന്നെ പോലെയുള്ള റൗഡി ക്രിമിനൽസ് ഫോർ ദം ഫോർ യു പീപ്പിൾസ് ഇറ്റ് ഈസ് എ ഗോൾഡൻ ചാൻസ് ദാറ്റ് ഫോർ സഡൻലി ഫ്രം ഓക്സ്ഫോർഡ് യൂണിവേഴ്സിറ്റി ഹൗ മച്ച് 300 ബില്യൺ ഫണ്ട് നീ എന്തൊക്കെ ഉണ്ടെങ്കിൽ പൊട്ടി നോയ ഞാൻ മറക്കില്ലട്ടോ പുഴുത്ത പട്ടി നീ എന്നാ ചേരയ്ക്ക് നിന്നാണ് കേട്ടോ മത ഇനി IIT and all are assholes only. And don't let that Raj Dabra to join IIT Bombay as faculty. He is a much 1,000 times double than this Pushpa Bhattacharya. And he is not even knowing anything and looting others, work and trapping others. The money costs are fraud that Raj Dabra. And if Pushpa give that faculty position to Rajan Chatterjee, he is deserving that. He is that much knowledgeable person. And that one, his single mother only took care of that mother alone in Mumbai only, right? He will be dedicated to you and sincere to you throughout. But Raj Dabra is not there. If you are giving the faculty position, the next month he will dump you. Like he had Raj Dabra culture of fraud. Also that Kashyap and all is standard this, but Rajan is deserving. Give it that. Rajan is in that University of Toronto with that machine translation group, Philip Cohen and all, everybody he got excelled in that. Okay, he have good understanding on everything. What are the level of place? Watch Chaudhary, be a director, and the entire world hijacker and the over smart of the Japanese and party in the eye in a Bhattacharya cast a party kuta straight it off. So you put out Chiono in a Purtana and into a Tomala the bastard culture of porticos outbursting and a 30 street dogs. It's a golden opportunity to grab and cross the Nikora on Takila in the Molani Rodeo Cochera Purtabati catchy on a Govale. I don't understand, Rahul. Even after knowing this, for what purpose you are obligated? So if some situation is there, and for chucking this kind of a dump only you spoiled, cried this many 10 years or what? No, this is your life goal to chuck. What? In the world, across the world, all the prostitutes sucked, right? Then why do you live like a womanizer to stamp? All of that in a fraud. You know, so she's not like to the government is not like to outburst to enjoy. And so first for handling it, see, you are not able to handle one single situation, then how do you handle the country? This situation is certainly going and chucking this kind of culture certain tongues. Something is coming. Now certainly everybody how the Matana power with the Matana Chertanta Lata Paranari Patilla. Children in a Honda Kakin. Correct. Rika, have some common sense, and you are not going to become anything. And so for out of Satyagraha that there was a hen, there is a story, and hen used to what? Give golden egg, and so that that man got that owner got desperate, greedy, and he thought that if you killing the hen, you can get all the golden egg on itself. And he killed, and everything got out. This is what your stage. And so out of desperateness, don't do that. Without Rahul Gandhi, there is nothing in Congress. Okay, Congress is not there. And then India, without opposition, this will become the entire nested Manipur violence. Manipur and Sambal will be the entire world, entire India. Okay, so don't get excited. Month of the crack devils. Actually, see, Ralji, you are knowing from the past 1 year what are the changes happened when you are listening to me, and what are the post I am doing, the information, everything only you are following. You are just on everybody. I know that. Then why do you need to get into that all the crack? These all cracks are just screwing up, and what devastating only there. And then why do you need to listen to them? Why do you need to oblige to them? Nobody will eat you. And that UK citizen, it is not some big grand, who are all going for a study abroad, they used to have like that kind of, that is something, not something great, okay? So be cool there, okay? And yesterday he told that this is the what scene. Not in a single person utter a word when this fellows put the case to cancel your citizenship like that, right? Then I was calling each and these all fellows. That's the reason I got frustrated and I told. Also, this the Chupriyan, because see, when something is there, the suddenly almost into Matayana. That I can see that it, whenever as long as you are going for this Matayana Prani, then you will get a devastated and all day when a Marte down that till that day you will be like this. And then the excitement or some kachara. See, these cracks, they everybody thought that everybody want to control and grow power of the excitement. That's a sort of particle. On the pension, don't that's the reason outbursting trying to. Then you are like a oh no that like a got this kind of no but this that can they got habituated like that. And that's a reason again you are getting into that. How many times joining also? Do you think these fellas are going to do good for you? Have common sense. And you are not carrying any burden. And Priyanka has her own family, and she was became enough grabbed, and she know to take care of them, and you don't need to bother about them. You think about only yourself. Your mother also at the critical point was what looking for her only, her that Priyanka's screw up only. Okay, and she's a 78-year-old. So have a common sense, Madhavati. Okay.